Hey, what's up guys? This is Tamil again and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get people to partner with you in network marketing, so stick around. Now, one thing guys that I do on this channel is I teach people how to start and grow an online business. And so a lot of the strategies that I use are really online strategies, and they're strategies that have gotten me results. They're strategies that have, they get me leads, they give me sales, and I'm able to, talk to people who are really interested in this industry. So what I want to do right now is I want to show you guys, some of the strategies that I'm using to grow my business online. Okay, and so one of the online marketing strategies that I use to get people to partner with me in my network marketing business is this strategy right here. Now, if you are truly interested in growing your network marketing business and maybe you haven't had success offline, talking to friends and family and people like that, then I really encourage you to take a second look at network marketing and not give up on it, because there are ways in which people can generate leads and still connect with people out here who are interested in this industry. So let me show you some online marketing strategies that I'm using to get people to partner with me in network marketing. Now, one of the things that people typically do when they're first joining network marketing is they like to, talk to friends and family. They like to make a list of people to see if those people are interested in their business. But when people are not interested in their business, what they tend to do is they tend to go back to that list over and over again to see if they can get people to partner with them in their business or purchase their products. And one of the main things or main problems that people have is that they run out of people to talk to. So the strategy that I'm going to show you right now is going to help you not run out of people to talk to, because the strategy can work for you even when you're not working. So let me show you how I market my business online. So now the first thing that you should be focusing on if you're looking to market your business online is you need a platform. Like, you need an area where traffic is, where people are, that you can expose your product and your business to. And so one of the places that people love to hang out at is social media. And so a place where you can market your business or showcase, yourself and your business would be social media. Maybe, you can have a website, or maybe you've got like a blog or something like that that you can utilize. Probably paid ads if you have the budget for it. But one of the first steps you want to do is you want to choose a platform that you want to work with. And so platforms are really important. My platform of choice that I like to market my business is on YouTube. So I like video marketing. Video is very powerful. So for you, it may be something else. But a platform of choice, you need to choose one so that you can focus on getting some content on those platforms and getting eyeballs on what you're working on. What you want to do first is you want to find out what people's biggest problems are, because obviously they're not on social media to buy your stuff, but people do have problems. They have issues. So what you want to do first is you want to find out what people's biggest problem is. And then what you want to do next is you want to be able to come up with a solution for people's problems. So let's just say that you are in the health and wellness industry and your products are, nutritional supplements or shakes or things like that. Well, how can you get people reaching out to you about your products? Well, you need to find out first who's interested. So what you want to do first is you need to find out, okay, what type of information can I put out here to help people solve their biggest problems? That's what you need to be focusing on first. Now, what you should not be doing, which a lot of people do, is they do this. They want to present their multi-level marketing business. They want to do that. They want to be able to put their business online, and they've got their company logos out there, and they've got their product out there, and they've got their whole page spammed with, all of this information about their business, and how can I get someone to purchase my product? And I've seen that before on different social media sites, and it's really a turnoff when you see people constantly pitching and selling their network marketing business. So that's not what you want to do right here. Yes, you want to find a place to be, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever you want to be, but you do not want to begin off, promoting your network marketing business. Instead, what you want to do next is you want to start providing value. And what I mean by providing value is you want to be able to post things that will help people. So obviously, if you know that your products can help people lose weight, if you know your product has something of value, then you need to focus on the benefits. So maybe it is a recipe that, helps people to, get healthier. Whatever that is, it's just something that you will find of value to someone else. It might come in different ways. So if it's not a blog post, maybe you created some sort of PDF guide, or maybe you created some little training video. Choose that route to go versus buy my stuff, buy my product. Then once you do that, then we can go to the next step, which is having a capture page. Now, the purpose of having a capture page is obviously if you've got eyeballs on your content, then you want to make a connection with those people. And if you have a capture page, what's going to be on that capture page is some type of free offer. And that free offer could be, like I said, it could be something like a recipe. It could be something of value to the person that is looking at your content, and it's something that they may want, bad enough to where they're willing to give up their contact information. So their contact information could be their email address, their name, possibly a phone number, and it's going to be, something that, basically is a solution to their problem. The next thing that you're going to want to focus on after you have a capture page, because people are going to put their name and their email address into it, and what it's going to do is it's going to lead you to the next step, which is building an email list. You have not heard the money is in the list. And yes, it is, because an email list honestly is really one of two things that you actually own. So an email list you can own, and of course you can own, your blog or things like that. What you do not own is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. These are just platforms that you use to leverage your business, but you don't own them. So it's very important that you try to stay in contact with the people that opt into your capture page or that are interested in your business. You want to establish a relationship with them because you want to build that know, like, and trust factor. And that's one of the biggest problems that people have when it's getting people to partner with them in their network marketing business, is that they don't have a good relationship. See, people like to do business with those who they know, like, and trust, and people who they, feel comfortable with. But if people don't know you and don't have, any trust with you, then chances are they're not going to partner with you in your business. So a way in which you can build that rapport with people is by continuously sending them valuable information. That's what you want to do with your email list. You want to continue to educate people and build a relationship with them, because what you're doing is you're building that foundation so that you can ultimately, have a conversation with these leads. So now that leads me to the next step, which is your autoresponder. Now, are you going to be at the computer sending off, emails twice a week to 100, 200, 300 people, that you get on your email list? No, you're not going to be doing that. But instead, what you can get is different programs that will do that for you. So you can have what we call an autoresponder that will basically do the work for you. And so instead of you sitting at the computer, sending out 200 or 300 emails a week, you can have your autoresponder do it. And what it is that you can have these, responders send out these emails. And I think you can have like Aweber, companies like GetResponse, MailChimp, companies like that will basically do this stuff all on autopilot. And guys, once you have people that are on your email list and you're sending them out valuable information, it's really just priming your email list for when you make that connection with your lead. And so you can eventually be able to call your leads, or your leads are reaching out to you wanting to find out more information. And it leads us to being able to finally just present your network marketing business. Because eventually you're going to contact these leads, like I said, and when you get on the phone with these leads, it's not going to be like that simple conversation that you had, before with, maybe a cold market or somebody that because the conversation usually is very minimal. Typically, if you're meeting somebody that you do not know, the next thing that they're going to say to you is, oh, is this a scam? Or is this, a pyramid scheme? Or is this where everyone at the top make all the money and everyone at the bottom doesn't make any money? You're not going to have that kind of conversation now, because you've built a relationship and you've built a rapport, and these people are following you. They're getting information from you. They already know what you're about. They know what the business is about, or they have an idea rather what the business is about, and they're not going to approach you that way. Instead, when you get on the phone with your leads, It's going to be more of, hey, how are you doing, Tamil? Yeah, I've seen the information that you put out there. I like, what you sent me. I'm very much interested in, starting a business from home. I'm not sure how to do it, so maybe you can help me out. Or it's going to go a lot different. It's going to be much more warming and inviting, and it's not going to be so negative. If anything, I encourage you to take a look at this type of strategy of my network marketing business is a business that I've learned to market this way because, like many of you, I struggled in my network marketing business for a long time, trying to, bug my friends and family, going back to the same people over and over again, running out of my warm market. And I'm trying to think of ways in which I can get new people to take a look at my business. And if you're going to be in this business long term, you can't rely on the same people over and over again to help, you with your business. So one of the things that I like to do, guys, is I like to focus on attraction marketing. And that's exactly what this whole marketing strategy allows you to do. It really allows you to attract people to you because you're putting out value and you're doing it without having to pitch and sell your business. So I truly, encourage you to take a look at marketing your business this way, because this is how I get people to partner with me in my network marketing business. Now, I just showed you guys, some well-known network marketers who are, very, very well-known in this industry. And do you think that they're, stopping the people at the grocery stores or at the malls? Do you think that they are, trying to talk to people who they don't necessarily know, stopping them in the grocery store? No, they're not doing that. All right, so I'm going to go back to Ray Higdon's site right here, and I'm going to show you exactly what capturing a lead is. So if you look right here at the top of his page, he has 29 sources to get leads now. Free MP3 download. Generate more leads for your business today. Now, this right here, guys, is your name, a place for your name, and a place for your email, and then you're going to get a free download. Now, why is he, who is a very well-known top earner in network marketing, using this type of strategy? And I mean, think about it. He's a leader. He gives away valuable information. I mean, he's a teacher. He's got a lot of great results. Do you think he's not using this strategy as well? Well, he is, because this is how top earners are balancing their business. Yes, I'm sure that there's some people that they talk to face to face, or some people that they meet when they're out. But guys, they are leveraging their business with the internet. And they're using the internet to become an authority in their business. And how do you become an authority in network marketing? Well, you have to be a leader. Offer people something of value. And that's exactly what Ray Higdon does right here. And so, guys, I encourage you to look at this way of growing your network marketing business and also getting leads for your business, because you can truly leverage the internet by getting people to reach out to you rather than you reaching out to them. You can put yourself in a position where you become the hunted versus hunting people down. And that's what I'm teaching you guys right here. Strategies in which you can get people reaching out to you by providing value. So all right, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like what you heard. And second, if you enjoyed any of this content, or if you even have any questions about what you heard today, or you're struggling with your network marketing business and you want to get some good information as to how you can grow it, then go down to the bottom and leave me a comment. I'm always checking out my comments. I respond to them. So if you have any questions about this video, or if you have any video ideas that you want to throw out there to me, then go ahead and leave me a comment below. And lastly, if you love what you heard today and you want to find out more about how you can grow an online business, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because that's what I do here, guys. I teach people how to start and grow an online business. And lastly, guys, not only am I going to give you a free training bonus, but I'm also going to give you access to the same system that I'm using to grow my business online. So guys, if you want to get access to that training, go down to the bottom of this video, click the link, put your name and your email address in, and I'm going to send you access to that video as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you check out some more of my valuable videos right here. And also make sure that you come back so that you do not miss out on any more great training just like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.